Welcome to Advik's Playhouse. Today we will assemble the wooden car and then play with the hammer and colorful balls with the assembled car. We have to prepare our car by connecting all these parts. We will assemble this car with the help of a wooden screwdriver. Let's start building. One side of our car has been assembled. Now let's prepare the other side of the car. Our car is ready. Let's see how it is. This is very colorful and attractive car. It has 4 different colored holes on the top through which we will put the balls inside with the help of a hammer. Let's start playing. Our first ball is orange color. We have blue, yellow, orange and green holes. Let's play with the help of this hammer. Let's put the orange ball in the hole with the orange ring. Let's put it in with the help of hammer. We inserted the orange ball with the help of the hammer. Now let's put the rest of the balls inside. Let's put blue ball, then orange ball, then green ball, and the yellow ball. Now let's put them in one by one with the hammer. Let's put the rest of the balls in the vehicle in the same manner. Now we have a lot of balls in our car. Let's look at it from above. This wooden car is very beautiful and all around very colorful and attractive. This game of balls and hammer is amazing. Subscribe to Advik's Playhouse for more interesting and amazing games. Now, we will meet in the next video with another new and exciting game. Till then, bye-bye.